beautiful girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox and share the deluxe variant of the princess box, and this time there are only two variants. There is a royal variant which is priced at rupees 2999 plus shipping, and there is another variant which is the deluxe variant which is priced at rupees 999 with a shipping of rupees 125. So this time I have ordered the deluxe variant, and this is how it has come to me. It is wrapped very nicely in a silver envelope, and I am going to open all this and see what all the contents are inside. The theme of the month is around the world, and this month it has been curated by my co-YouTuber Ashma. So let's go right in and see what all we have received. The first thing that I have received is this eyeshadow palette called as Selfie. You have options in this. The options are mentioned in the info card, which I will be putting at the end of the video. This eyeshadow palette comes with a free eye primer, and let us see how it is. So guys, this is the Selfie palette. This is how it looks. I love makeup, and it's an imported brand. And guys, this is the palette. Just look at the shades. It has such beautiful shades. These shades are such that it will complement all the Indian skin tones, and they are perfect for all sort of looks. So you have lighter shades which can be used as highlighter, and you have darker shades to create an evening look or a shimmery look, and the other side has a mirror and an applicator too. So this is the first product. I had used this product earlier too, and I loved it. The pigmentation is very good and it stays on for quite a long time. From the other side we can see that we have received an eye primer. So eye primers are good whenever you're using an eye makeup. They create a good base and your colors of your eyeshadow come out very well, and it also helps in retaining the eyeshadow for a longer time. So this is my first product. Then I have received a liquid lip color from Colourpop. You have variants to choose from, and let me open this for you. This is a very cute one. I like this Colourpop. They are just perfect, have a very long staying power, and let me swatch it for you. So this is the shade, friends. It's a beautiful shade and would look good again on all Indian skin tones, and this is such a perfect size. You can just pop it into your bag and carry it around. I like such travel friendly product. Then I have received a jewelry piece, and friends, have a look at it. So this is the neck piece. It's an adjustable neck piece. You can adjust the length of your neck piece. You can make it shorter or longer. So this is how it looks, and just look at the quality, guys. It is so beautiful. Honestly, the one thing I can vouch for in Princess box is its quality. All the products are genuine. They are truly luxury brands, and the owner Priyanka really takes care to send across really good products. I am so happy with this, and this is such a beautiful neck piece. You can pair it up with anything that you wear. It would look good on westerns. Of course, it would look good on Indian wear too. So I'm very happy to have received this neck piece. Then I have got this cute little luggage tag from a Hello Kitty tag, and a very useful item. I travel a lot, and this is absolutely so cute. The next product that I have got is a lip liner from Revolution, and it comes with its own sharpener. So let us open this first. So can you see this? There is a sharpener here, and this is very helpful. You don't have to keep on searching. And this is the shade. Let me swatch this shade for you too. So it's a bright pink shade, a fuchsia shade actually, and again it's well pigmented, glides smoothly, and would be a good lip liner. So I'm happy to get this lip liner too. Then I have received biscuit sticks from Gap. So this is in the flavor strawberry, cute one. And the last product that I have received is this headband. This is a gift, and a very nice stylish one, cute and sober, can be worked on, can be used with anything else, and this is the typical one with the wire. You can wear it the way you would like to. So yeah, happy with this too. So friends, this were all the products that I received in my Princess box. I truly enjoyed unboxing this box. All the products are premium luxury brands and they have taken us across the world. So I am impressed by this box worth rupees 999. I think it is absolutely worth it and much more. So friends, if you too did like this box, please go ahead and order yours. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Look forward to hear from you. Bye for now. Love you all.